All right. Malik, can you start us out? Can you begin our journey? How does this shape, how does this picture of the membrane, its shape, represent the function of the membrane, which is to allow things to move through? So what would you say, Malik? The protein is the what? Entry point. So what does it look? What does this protein look like then? Say this is the protein. It looks like a what? Well, it's you want to share? You want to share? Well, maybe you should share your joke with us, Malik. Jeremy, what would you say? What does this look like? Well, this protein right here.
Like an ice cream sandwich.
Like a what? An ice cream sandwich? Okay. Oh, ice cream sandwich. Those are good. I love ice cream sandwiches. Leonardo. But I think you mentioned things can go through it, right? We have. It's an entry point. So, can something go through this part? No, but it can go through this protein here. Okay, so it forms like a passageway through the membrane, and that helps to transport, right? So the proteins in the membrane act as a passageway.
Is there multiple proteins around it?
Second, passageway through the membrane. So things can get in there, right? So they can move stuff. Daniel, what were you saying?
Is there multiple of those?
Yeah, there's many proteins, many different kinds, several of them. Yeah, good question. Yeah, many. I like that. Now, can everything go through the membrane though? Like you might say, these phospholipids, they're all jammed in there tight next to each other. They're providing a barrier, so some things hit and then bounce off. So let's say the phospholipids, they provide a barrier. All right, so it's semi-permeable. Some things can go through, some things can't. Okay, things that can go through, either they're small enough to dissolve, or they can go through some kind of a protein. Other things, they get stuck by the phospholipids. That phospholipids provides a watertight seal around the cell, so things just can't go in and out willy-nilly. Okay? Now, North or South Pole? Caesar, what would you choose?
I said south.
Why South Pole?
Because it has the land.
Oh, that's the land there, right? Yeah, you don't want to be standing on the ice cap, right? That stuff could crack. And then you go in the water. You don't want to be swimming at the North Pole. That's known to be cold. Malik, what do you choose? North Pole? Why North Pole? Santa Claus. Oh, can you put that food away? Zip your backpack there, please. I see. It's very easily accessible right there. Look at that. See? I've seen a few things. Sam, what would you choose? South Pole? Why South Pole?
Because it might be warmer over there.
Oh, you think it might be a little warmer in the South Pole? Where was the coldest temperature ever measured? Was it North or South Pole? It was the South Pole. Yeah. So I know about that, Sam. Might be colder. Okay. Daniel, where would you go? North Pole. Why North Pole?
I just think it's better.
Think it's better? North is better. You want like the south? Like you prefer the north? All right. All right. Leonardo, what would you choose?
The north.
Why the north?
I don't know.
You don't know. Just sounds good to you. Ezra, what would you choose?
North,
Why north?
easier.
Easier? Yeah, it might be. Well, from here, it's you don't have to go as far, right? So you don't want to be on a 20-hour plane ride, you know? That's too much. Go a little shorter, go to the North Pole. Okay. All right. So today, the goal is I want you to try to finish your posters. See if we can get it done, and then we can do a presentation, a video presentation. So, yes, Danny?
What if we don't get it done?
Ooh, we'll talk about that at that point in time. Okay? So remember, your diagram needs to show the parts, all the parts labeled right here, your diagram needs to have on it somewhere. You don't have to have, you can use a different basis, right? You don't have to use this same diagram, but you have to show these parts. And you need to work in some kind of a theme that you see right here. And that theme, you need to explain as well explain how it works on the poster somewhere. All right? Okay. Head on. You can head on back to the group. The posters are there. Find your poster. Let's get to work. Let's go. Got this. Yeah, you can take a picture. Submit.
Could I take a picture of the thing?